stage. Make some noise, man. Make them feel good. Because this is really not something we should be against. This is something that we should honor. The fact that we were able to inspire people in another country to bring our culture into their country and spread the reggae and the dancehall music even further is something that we should thank them for. Make some noise for the Japanese artists one more time. Yeah, man, and the Japanese embassy, big up on themselves. Ambassador, you know how our thing go. We'll smoke a split together after this is done. Run it! Alright, if you love reggae music, put one hand in the air right now. We in a reggae mode, if you love reggae music, bust up that. Here we go! Don't keep us wearing on your circle. Them boy, they come from every angle just to hurt you. Hey, it's only lions in a mind day. No snake, no rat can't be my friend. Royalty, friends on the base of our currency. We no worship vanity. Unity is our sanity. Steve, pulling like gravity. More from where I'm from, if you know it, see. We are the lion them. We see them on the corner, bounce on marijuana. Pass the Chinese round when they read a couple songs. Every man heart clean, no one wants to drama. But I still stubborn like a fully young. Hey, we are the lion them. Go, 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 go. We are the lion them. Who there we're gonna pull up a lasting time? What is a scar to a sinner? When you learn them lessons, don't you remember? I ain't dance, we try to find the dance. So my eyes open this side, and then these other side. Nothing not sure, in a life, we don't understand. So if you is a real one and not this time, that I gonna make you know as I should. Now wait till you're gone home, that we and the lion them good. We sit up on a gun, put some marijuana. Plus the gun is from when they beat a couple sounds. Every man heart clean, no one wants to trauma. But I still strap and knock up for the yard. Your boys can face it. The lion them. We are the lion them. Can't hear you. We are the lion them. We are the lion them. Good. Hey, fill in the basket. When you was market, send them when they go market, bring it in over the speed of the profit. None of the purpose, follow the needles. No man is sponsored with the chalice. All we got to reach out there. I am my brother's keeper. Yes, you're not on friendship to the end. Japan, I want a new friend. We say the lion them good. We see them for them color, but some marijuana. Lost the chalice round when they read a couple songs. Every man heart clean, no one wants to drama. But I still strong and like a fully young. So, yes, we are the lion them good. We are the lion them good. We are the lion them good. Lord, now the lion them good. We good. Lord, the lion them good. We good. The lion them good. We good. Yes, the lion them good. We good. Yes, yes. Even from me, enemy, them, they know my friend. When I go forsake me again, they know my friend. Even from me, enemy, them, they know my friend. They know my friend, they know my friend, they know my friend. What's up with good? Outside. Yeah. The boys cafe, how you feeling, man? Yeah, you know, it's good to see everybody gathering in the name of reggae music, you know, and definitely once again I will large up Japan for their unwavering support for Jamaican culture. Now, I understand, a whole heap of places around the world benefit from Jamaican music and Jamaican culture and Jamaican people, but it's very few actually extend the hand back the other way, right? This whole heap of people take, is not many of them give. So it's a reason why we honor Japan, and I try to go to Japan once a year, not because the watch prices are better than in New York. That's not the reason, you know, but we try to go to Japan once a year, every year. Over there now on the DJ train. Run it now, man. We say make some noise if you love reggae music. The boys I can't hear you. So hear me now. And some people you break. They say they will still choose to show you hate. So why you don't even run them out of your yard? reggae month and we're going to feed in with reggae music. All man! I'm not sure anymore who is a knocking at my door. And all the places that I knew, Shaman get some. Enough of them are backbiters, so people get it on two sides. Yo, we need one more time, man. This is reggae month, you know. I don't know what reggae do for people around the world. You know how much economy reggae change? We need to start dealing with it like how they deal with oil. So hear me now. Some people you read, yes, and then we still choose to show you hate. So what you do? Run them out to your yard, and you realize. See, say no for them are back. Some people critical too. We call them modern day. But them must spin us up. Say no for them are back. Fighters. Some people critical too. Shine less. But them modern day. Yo, some say, why should I be afraid of you when you bleed just like I do? The more them try to find out judge and let it keep on shining through. And so I got no time for you. Cause in the hour when you wanna step in and wish you never leave a room. So them are confused. Oh, every day you make it because you know you're fake. And then can't get a Jesse Royal dog plate. But Oga is a column when I easily shake. We certain say I think we none of them can take. Oga guided by the master, yeah. But no for them are backbiters. Some people critical and too sideless. We call them modern day Judas. People got them and send them something rumors, yes. Send no for them are backbiters, yes. Some people critical and too sideless, yeah. Call them modern day Judas. People got them and send them something rumors, yes. Call them and send them in a gunman world. And then they like it cocky that word. This is the back up and the toolbox full, yes. The magazine in and the toolbox full mix. And then he's watching as the days go by, and then he's watching as the peers all night, sleeping with the rifle across his chest. And so we never get some good night's rest. So great is in, I know. Great is the king of all. Yeah. My name is Jesse Royal. I just passed, we have passed through. But it's truly good and great to see all of the items gathered here. You know the name of reggae music. Big up my brother Medicine. Make some noise for the King Pinchers for the black stage. Make some noise for Junior Reed, you know. I am the young blood. We just I introduce them, you know, but it's truly an honor, as me I say. Today with all of the items. And I mean I show the real love and the support to Japan, as they have done for us for so many years. Rastafari.